can we start off with some examples, like give us some popular examples of companies that are using or could be using
So
microservices?
I think all new age tech companies are using microservices. It's not just tech companies. I think all companies are using. If they have any software play, they are using microservices. But most popular examples that come to our mind, as always, are Netflix or Amazon or Uber or YouTube or these companies like TikTok and social media and these kinds of platforms, e-commerce platforms, right? So, for example, if we talk about Netflix or Amazon, um, the kinds of functionality that they provide you, um, even though they are in a single UI, in a single page, in a single screen, they're all coming from different microservices. They're all
Oh,
placed together onto your screen in a single, in a single screen via multiple backend services, which are coordinated to get you that experience.
got it, got it. So even let's say when I'm booking an Uber cab,
Right.
or when I'm driving using Google Maps, so most probably I'm using some kind of microservices in the
Correct.
background,
They're
right?
all, yeah, yeah. Each of those apps is actually consuming multiple microservices. For example, you mentioned Uber, right? So the service is using a service to maybe fetch all the nearby drivers. Another
Right.
service is maybe mapping out your travel path and finding out the best path to go in, etc.
It's
Or maybe
almost
some other microservices fixing the pricing for you.
uh,
Maybe defining if you if it has to charge you more,
so maybe
right?
there is a microservice for surge pricing.
Surge pricing, yeah.
Got it, got it. So it sounds more like they're like a teamwork, right? It's like a team of
Correct, correct.
microservices together, giving the experience.
Giving you the experience, correct. You will
Got
not see that on the UI, and as an end user, you would not feel that there are microservices on the back end,
it.
which are being carefully orchestrated to provide you the experience. But behind the scenes, there can be hundreds, in fact, sometimes.
Nice, nice. So it need not be very apparent to the end user that in fact many times there's no way to make out, right? But it's
Correct,
all the magic is in the back end.
correct.